Yes, listen, next question from the exercise 10.3, the scalar product or dot product. Question number 5, that is, show that each of the given three vectors is a unit vector. What is the meaning of unit vector? The magnitude of the given vector should be 1. So we need to check out the magnitude of given each vector 1. Also show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. What is the meaning of perpendicular in the dot product? A dot B equal to 0, which means A perpendicular to each other. Okay, A dot B equal to 0 mean A perpendicular to B or B perpendicular to A. Likewise, we need to find all the three, A dot B, B dot C, C dot A. Okay, now solution. Carefully listen, students, here. Solution. I will take the given vectors as, let A vector equal to first vector 1 by 7 into, correct, 2i cap 1 by 7 into, sorry, 1 by 7 into 2i cap 3j cap plus 6k cap, and B vector equal to 1 by 7 into 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap, and C vector equal to 1 by 7 into 6i cap plus 2j cap, okay, and then minus 3k cap. To j cap. Yes. First to check whether it is unit vector or not. Now, modulus of A vector 1 by 7. You take it outside. Okay, no problem. That is equal to square root of, what is that value? Square root of I square, 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. That is equal to what, Kanna? 1 by 7 into 4 plus 9 plus 36. Isn't it? 1 by 7 into square root of 49. That is equal to 1 by 7 into 7. That is cancel. What is the answer? Equal to 1. Correct? And B vector equal to 1 by 7 square root of, the coefficients are interchanging. That means what? That is also equal to, going to become the same answer. 3 square plus minus 6 square plus 2 square equal to square root of 49. Sorry. 1 by 7 into square root of 49. That is equal to 1 by 7 into 7. That is cancel. You are going to get the answer is what? Equal to. And finally, C vector equal to 1 by 7 into square root of, what is that? 6 square plus 2 square minus plus of minus 3 whole square. That is also equal to what? Square root of 49. 1 by 7 into 7, that is equal to 1. Now cancel. This is what? Finally, what is that? Therefore, A vector, B vector and C vector are unit vectors. What is that? Is it okay? Now what is next? A dot B. To prove they are perpendicular to each other. Now, A vector dot B vector. What is A vector, Kana? 1 by 7 into 2i cap 3j cap plus 6k cap dot, correct, 1 by 7 into, what is that, 3i plus, sorry, not plus, minus minus 6j and plus 2k, no space. One by 7 into 2i plus 3j plus 6k dot 1 by 7 into 3i minus 6j plus 2k plus 2k, that is equal to what? 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 49, correct? Take it constant outside. What's remain? 2 into 3. Okay next plus 3 into minus 6 plus 6 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 49. 6 minus 18 plus 12 equal to 0. What is the meaning? A dot B equal to 0 means, which implies A perpendicular to B or B perpendicular to A, correct? And next, B dot C vector 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, 1 by 49, correct? Understood? Yes, into, now multiply. What is B vector here? 3 into, what is C vector gonna? Here look at this. I, coefficient of I, 6 yes, plus coefficient of j, minus 6. Here 2. Next, plus 2 into minus 3. That is also equal to what? 1 by 49 into 0. That is B dot C equal to 0 means C vector perpendicular to B vector or B vector perpendicular to C vector. And finally, and C dot A, no space, that's why I take another color. Okay, wow. That is what? C dot A equal to, what is 1 by 7, 1 by 7? 1 by 49, correct? First to take C coefficient. What is C coefficient? 6 into 2, correct? Yes, 6 into 2 plus, here 2 into 3. Yes or no? 2 into 3 plus, here 3 into 6 minus 3 into 6. What is that? 1 by 49 into 0. That is equal to C dot A equal to 0 means, what is the meaning of that? C vector perpendicular to A vector or A vector perpendicular to C vector. That means A, B and C are mutually perpendicular to each other. Understood? Any doubt? Can I go the next sum? Question number 6. Find data modulus of A, modulus of B. Correct? Now listen. What is the given first one? Solution. Given A vector plus B vector dot A vector minus B vector equal to 8. And A vector equal to 8 into B vector. Yes, now here carefully listen students. A plus B dot A vector minus B equal to 8. Now multiply. What is that? A dot A. A vector dot A vector plus A dot minus, not plus, minus A vector dot B vector. Okay. Next B vector. B vector dot A vector. Next minus B vector dot B vector equal to 8. Correct? It is commutative property, correct? A dot B equal to B dot A. Here A dot B equal to B dot A. That means these two are cancelled. Correct? What is remaining here? A dot A equal to modulus of A vector square. We can write, correct? Minus modulus of B vector square equal to what? 8. Isn't it? Now since what they are given here, A vector equal to 8 into B vector. Understood? Now replace A vector. What is A vector? That is 8 into B vector square minus B vector square equal to 8. Then what? 64 into B vector square minus B vector square equal to 8. Then what is here? 64 minus 1. Correct? That is what? 63B vector square equal to 8. So B vector square equal to 8 by 63. Then B vector equal to square root of 8 by 64. 63. Thank you, madams. Yes, 63. That is equal to, we can write square root of 8 by square root of 63. This is what? B vector. Then and A vector equal to what? 8 into B vector, correct? What is B vector value? Square root of 8 by square root of 63. Then what is answer? A vector equal to 8 root 8 by square root of 63. Okay, wow? This is what? Modulus values. Yes. Okay, wow, I forgot modulus. Okay, any doubts? Any doubt, girls and boys? Can I go next question? We can write. Otherwise, yes, here also 2 root 2 by square root of 63. Then we can write here 16 root 2 by square root of 63. Okay, wow. It is same. What, sir? Root 63, yeah. Answer? 3 root 7. Why? Here denominator. Yes. Okay, no issue. That is 2 root 2 by square root of 9 into 7. Okay, wow. That is equal to what? 2 root 3 by 3 root 7. That is also 16 root 2 divided by 3 into root 7. Okay, wow. Okay. Root where? Numerator. Yes, here 8 2s are. Here. Here. Sorry. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Yes. Okay, va? Can I go the next question? Question number 7. What is that? Evaluate the products. Yes, solution. The dot product only. Given what? 3a vector minus 5b vector dot 2a vector plus 7b vector equal to, they are asking find the product, correct? That is what? 3 2s are 6 into a dot a constant, correct? Next plus 3 7s are 21 into a dot b vector. Okay, wow. Next minus 5 2s are 10 b dot a. Okay, wow. Next minus 7 5s are 5 7s are 35 into b dot b. They are given any unit vector like that, check your textbook. It is nothing to given means we'll write one step answer. What is the answer? Yes, what is the condition? Other than any condition, this question, please check it. Nothing. Okay. Now this is 6 into modulus of a vector square. Here it is commutative property, correct? A dot b equal to b dot a, correct? Then what we are going to do here? 21 minus 10 plus 11 a dot b vector minus 35 modulus of b vector square. Okay, that's it, nothing else. Suppose they are given any a b r value means we can replace, otherwise unable to change. Okay, can I go the next sum? Question number 8. What is 8th one? Find the magnitude of a vector and b vector having the same magnitude such that angle between them 60 degree. The scalar product is 1 by 2. Correct? Yes. Same magnitude, which means a equal to b. Correct? Yes. Now, solution. What they are given, find the magnitude having that same magnitude, which means they are given modulus of a equal to modulus of b, because they are given same magnitude. Correct? And then what is theta? Theta equal to 60 degree, and the dot product of both that is equal to 1 by 2. Understood? This is the data. What is next? To find a vector and a b vector. Okay. Now, so where we are using this kind of ideas? Only angle between two vectors. Then we have, what is cos theta equal to? A vector, vector A, vector dot B, correct, divided by the magnitude of modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector. Correct? What is that? Cos 60. Correct, Aganna? Equal to 1 by 2 by modulus of A into modulus of A. It is equal, correct? Sorry. It is equal. They are given. So, because of A vector equal to magnitude of A vector equal to magnitude of B vector. Correct? Then what is here? 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 by modulus of A vector square. Now this is what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. What's remaining here? 1 equal to 1 by modulus of A vector square. Then cross multiply, what we are going to get? A vector square, correct, equal to 1. Then modulus of A vector equal to plus 1. Because modulus magnitude, correct? Plus or minus 1 going to become plus 1. Then since they are given, what they are given? Magnitude of A vector equal to magnitude of B vector. They are given, isn't it? Check it, the answer. Then modulus of B vector equal to 1. Which are unit vectors. What is that? Which are unit. If we need, write it. Which are unit vectors. Okay, can I go to question number 9? What is the 9th one? Find the magnitude of x vector. They are given x dot a, x minus a, x plus a. Correct? Yes. Solution. Given x minus a vector dot x minus b vector, sorry, x plus a vector, not b vector. This is what? A vector equal to 12, and also given the magnitude of a vector equal to 1. They are given unit vector, correct? A equal to. Then how to do this, which implies first x dot x vector plus x dot a vector minus a dot x vector minus a dot a vector equal to, correct? That is equal to modulus of x vector square. It is what? Commutative property, correct? X dot a equal to a dot x. Then what is next here? Minus a dot a modulus of a vector square equal to 12. What they are given? It is an unit vector, correct? Then replace here modulus of x vector square minus 1 square equal to 12, correct? Then what is that? X vector square equal to 12 minus 1. Plus 1. Thank you. Yes. Then modulus of x vector equal to what? Square root of 13. That's it. Any doubts? Can I go the next question? Question number 10. What is that? A, B, C. Then such that A equal to lambda into B vector perpendicular to C. Then find lambda value. Okay, A equal to, check it the question, is it correct? Given, is it correct? That is the doubt. A vector plus lambda B vector. That's why I ask you. Yes, because of when you think like this, unable to get the answer. Okay, wow. Yes, this is equal to what? A vector. What is A vector equal to? 2i plus 2j plus 3k. B vector equal to what? Ma, numerical value check ma. Any mistake mean? I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap and C vector equal to 3i plus j cap and A vector plus lambda into B vector perpendicular to C vector, correct? What is the meaning of that, students? Yes, this is A vector plus lambda into B vector dot C vector equal to 0. Because of A plus lambda B perpendicular to C, correct? So when you have studied the two vectors are perpendicular means what? But the dot product is 0. Yes, now like this here. First you find out A vector plus lambda into B vector. Are you okay here? What is A vector? 2i plus 2j plus 3k, correct? Plus multiply by lambda each term of B vector. Why? Lambda B vector. That is equal to what? B vector minus lambda I cap. Understood? And then plus 2 lambda j cap plus lambda k cap. Clear or not? Clear or not? That is equal to 2 minus lambda I cap. Correct? I take it I cap as common. Next, plus 2 plus 2 lambda j cap. Correct? Plus 3 plus lambda k cap. This is what kanna? A plus lambda B vector. Consider as a single vector. Okay. Now, A plus lambda B dot equal to C vector dot C vector equal to 0. Since what is the reason? A plus lambda B perpendicular to C. They are given. Correct, Aganna? Numbers they are given. Correct? This is what? Dot product. What is the dot coefficient? Correct? Then what is that? Here coefficient. And then A plus lambda into B dot C already taken. I will write the value. Sorry. What are the values? 2 minus lambda I plus 2 plus 2 lambda J plus 3 plus lambda K dot. What is C vector? What is C vector? 3I plus J. There is no K. I will take it as 0. Correct? Now multiply the coefficient 2 minus lambda into there 3 plus 2 plus 2 lambda into J. What is that? 1. Correct? Plus 0 because 0 into 3 plus lambda into 0 equal to 0. Then what is here? 6 minus 3 lambda. Okay, va? Plus 2 plus 2 lambda equal to 0. Now this is what? Minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda plus 8. We'll take next step. Plus 8 equal to 0. Minus lambda equal to minus 8. Lambda equal to 8. That's it. Okay, va? Any doubts? Can I go the next question? Question number 7. Show that modulus of A into B vector plus modulus of B into, what is the time? When the complete period? 4. Are you going to write now? No? What happened, all of you? Yes. Okay. Yes. Then magnitude of A B vector plus magnitude of B A vector perpendicular to magnitude of A vector B minus magnitude of B vector A for any two non-zero vectors. Find that is A, B are non-zero vectors, which means it is not equal to 0. Can I go next? Yes. Show that. So we are going to show, that means A dot B. Question correct agana check panninga. Okay, va? Yes. Now solution. Take modulus of A vector into B plus modulus of B vector into A dot. Correct? Because we need to prove these two are perpendicular, no, equal to 0. We need to get the answer. That is modulus of A vector B minus modulus of B vector into A. Okay, va? Equal to, as usual, what we are going to do here? Modulus of A vector, modulus of A vector B vector dot modulus of A vector B vector. Correct? First product minus modulus of A vector B vector dot modulus of B vector A vector. Are you okay now? And then next plus B vector dot A vector, correct? Dot A modulus of A vector B vector plus, not plus, minus, that is equal to modulus of B vector into A vector dot modulus of B vector into A vector. Okay, va? That is equal to cancel. Yes. It is commutative, correct? Yes or no? What we are going to do here? 2 times modulus of A vector, B vector, wait, not B vector. Modulus of A vector, B vector, whole square, and then minus modulus of B vector, A vector, whole square, correct? Yes or no? That is meaning what? Modulus of A vector square, modulus of B vector square. Isn't it? Whole square, that is equal to what? Minus modulus of B vector square, modulus of A vector square. What is that? 0. Then what is the meaning of that? Which implies determinant of A vector, B vector, okay, plus determinant of B vector, A vector perpendicular to, correct? What is that? Modulus of A vector, B vector minus modulus of B vector, A vector. Understood? Any doubts? Can I go to the next question? We can do the sum another method. I think this is easy. Okay, wow. Yes, question number 12. A dot B equal to 0, A dot B, A dot A equal to 0, A dot B equal to 0. What is conclude about vector B? Check it the question number, please, once again. Solution. Give the book. Okay, we'll continue next class.